Have you ever tried to fit a whole set of pots and pans into a tiny kitchen cabinet and just wish they took
Oh,
up
all the
less
time.
space?
Absolutely. It's like a game of Tetris every time.
Well, imagine having a cookware set that saves you up to 70% more space thanks to
No way.
detachable handles.
Detachable handles? That's a game changer.
Yeah, it's this 17-piece set from SENSARTE, and it's kind
Right.
of brilliant.
So how do detachable handles make that big of a difference?
Well, you can stack the pots and pans without the handles getting in the way, making
Oh, I
storage super
see.
efficient.
Makes sense, but are the handles sturdy enough?
Definitely. They support up to 22 pounds,
Wow.
so you don't have to worry about them coming loose while cooking.
That's impressive. And what about the nonstick surface?
It's a granite nonstick coating that's PFOA free, so it's healthier
Nice.
and you can cook with less oil.
Less oil means healthier meals, which is always a plus.
Exactly. Plus, it's super easy to clean thanks to the
Yeah.
nonstick surface and wear-resistant design.
So no more scrubbing burn-on food?
Exactly, and it's even dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a
That's
breeze.
convenient. But will it work on my induction stove?
Absolutely. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction
Perfect.
due to its thick, flat bottom with a high magnetic conductive base.
That's great. I've had issues with that before.
And get this, it's oven safe up to 480 degrees once you
Really?
remove the handles.
So you can go from stovetop to oven easily?
Exactly. It adds so much versatility to your cooking
Yeah.
options.
You know, I'm a bit skeptical about detachable handles in the oven.
Understandable. But since you remove them before placing in the oven,
Oh, right.
there's no risk of the handles getting damaged.
That makes sense. So what's included in the 17-piece set?
It comes with various sizes of pots and pans, glass lids, pot protectors, fridge
Wow.
storage lids, and of course, the detachable handles.
Fridge storage lids? That's handy.
Yeah, you can go straight from cooking to storing leftovers without
Nice.
transferring to another container.
That definitely saves on dishes.
Exactly. It's all about convenience and making
Right.
life easier in the kitchen.
Speaking of convenience, how does it hold up in an RV kitchen?
It's actually ideal for RVs because of the space-saving design
Makes
and
sense.
compatibility with different stovetops.
That's perfect for travelers then.
Absolutely, and the stackable nature keeps things organized in tight
Yeah.
spaces.
You mentioned sustainability earlier. How does this set address that?
The cookware is made with at least 95% recycled materials certified
Impressive.
by the Recycled Claims Standard.
That's a big step towards eco-friendliness.
Definitely, it's great to see companies focusing on sustainability in their products.
But recycled materials, does that affect the quality at all?
Not at all. Customers are raving about the durability and performance of the set.
That's reassuring. Speaking of customers, what are people saying in the reviews?
Most love the ease of cleaning and the space-saving aspect, plus the quality of
Yeah.
the nonstick surface.
Any downsides mentioned?
A few people noted staining on the bottoms over time and some issues with the fridge lids warping in the dishwasher.
That's good to know. So maybe hand wash those lids?
Exactly. To keep them in good shape, it's better
Right.
to hand wash the plastic lids.
Overall, it sounds like a solid cookware set.
It really is, especially if you're looking to save space without sacrificing
Definitely.
quality.
You know, I'm curious about the price point. Is it affordable?
Considering all that's included, it's quite reasonable, and it's
That's
even labeled
great.
as Amazon's choice.
Oh, so it's highly rated and well priced then.
Exactly, plus available for immediate shipping, which is
Nice.
always a bonus.
Well, you've almost convinced me to get one myself,
Honestly, it might be worth it, especially
Yeah.
if you struggle with kitchen space.
which I definitely do.
Then this set could be a real lifesaver in your
Absolutely.
kitchen.
Maybe we should order one and try it out.
I think that's a fantastic idea, and we can share
Yeah.
our personal experience next time.
Sounds like a plan.
Great. Can't wait to hear your thoughts after using it.
Same here. All right, let's do it.